Welcome to www.learnquickbooksfree.com. How you doing? This is Michael from Learn QuickBooks, Accounting 101. Okay, today I'm going to teach you what is owner's equity. Alright, all jokes set aside. Today though, we are really going to be covering owner's equity, how to use it within QuickBooks, and basically what it means, which is money coming in or money taken out from the company from the owner's personal funds. Alright, well let me go ahead and show you a few examples. Alright, well for first example, suppose the owner put in some of his own personal money into the bank account. Well, how would you notate that? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to banking and make deposits. Alright, well there you go, banking. I'm going to go ahead and make deposits. Alright, now that I'm under make deposits, I'm going to choose the bank of where we put the money in. So let's say I put money to the checking account. And we got the date over here. That's right, we are headed into a New Year's 2012. That's going to be the year, guys, where we turn it around. Alright, now back to this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and choose the owner. I created an owner over here. And I'm going to do a quick add. And I'm just going to go ahead and make it an other. Employee would be if it's a corporation and the owner is an employee. But in this case, we're going to base it off a sole proprietorship, and we will do it on other. From account, this is where we put owner's equity. And then you can just put that he deposited a check number 2101, and the amount of $25,000. And we're going to go ahead and save that. And we're going to go ahead and close that out. Alright, well now that we've made that entry, we're back at our chart of accounts, and if I double click on owner's equity, you'll see that that is notated. Okay, so that was money coming into the company by the owner. It's not income, it is an equity. So let's go ahead and do the reverse of that. Let's say now the owner took out money from the company. So that being said, let's go ahead and do banking. And there's a couple of different ways to do it, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it under writing checks. So now that I'm over here, I'm going to select checking, which is where the money's at, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and say that on 1/1/2012, owner had a slamming time and needed to take some money out. So here we go. He went ahead and took $1,500, or she. That's right, I'm not a sexist. He or she took out $1,500, went to Vegas and had a good time. Alright, and once we get to account, same thing, I'm going to choose owner's equity. Now owner, and hit save and new. Alright, I'm going to X out over here. Now when I go to the chart of accounts into the report, as you can see, 25,000 in, 1,500 back out. Now we are at a total of 23,500. And that's pretty much one way on how to use owner's equity in QuickBooks. Hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you next time for the next tip. Much more to come on LearnQuickBooksFree.com. If you have a specific question scenario that you would like answered, simply go to our website, to our forum section, and in there you can go to the appropriate section, sign up, go to the appropriate section, ask a question, and one of us will be more than happy to answer it for you. We like to help here at Mega Niche University.